Alright guys, today we're going to be putting in this new faucet in my son's bathroom. I'm going to change from this gold to this brushed nickel, I think, yeah. So I'll take you underneath. Okay, I've already started with some disassembly here. I'll loosen up those gray plastic nuts and those brass ones. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Okay, we've got the old faucet out. There's some discoloration. I cleaned it, but I don't know if that was the original color of the sink or it's just stained from. It was pretty dirty. I did clean from underneath, so I guess that's a stain. But hopefully my other faucet covers it up. So next, we're going to try to get the drain out because it's also gold. So not sure what to do here. I'm going to try to figure it out. I'm assuming I need to take that nut off and probably that one too. We'll see. Okay, so I used these two right here that were hand tight. Loosen those. The other one's there. Got a bug. The other one's there. Took the trap off, cleaned it out. Then this piece is slid off of this pipe here. And it looks like there's quite a bit of stuff. There were two young girls using this bathroom, previous owners, so that's probably where all that hair came from. And I'm gonna clean this out. Then I'm going to loosen this bolt here. Okay, so I loosened this all the way down as far as it would go. And then I started turning this whole pipe the opposite way until my drain ring here started rising. And then this seal and washer was able to pop off and come down and loosen up some. But I couldn't figure out how to get this off. Then I stuck my finger in this nastiness here. I found these holes, so then I used this screwdriver to hold it and was able to turn this from below and loosen this ring from the drain pipe. And now we're ready for the new one. Okay, so I've got the faucet in, and I was attempting to put these plastic nuts on, but the little wings on them are sticking out too far and hitting the edge of my sink, and I can't tighten them all the way. So I went back with the old ones that came off the original sink. And then I also had to put the cold side on first and then the hot side, because when I put the hot side on and tighten it up, the cold side still wouldn't fit. It was hitting the edge. It's still pretty close now. So I'm going to cinch everything down, hook up the drain plug in the water, and we'll go from there. Okay, so finally got the water and the drain plug all attached. Water's on. Don't see any leaks. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Cold water. Alrighty, let me clean up.